the last time you searched for a side hustle? Or wondered if freelancing could finally fix your income? Now here's the uncomfortable part. More people are working than ever before, yet it feels like nobody is actually getting ahead. So what's really going on? Across the United States, millions of people are turning to gig work. Not because it's their first choice, but because traditional jobs feel harder to find, less stable, and less reliable than before. When we say gig economy, we're not just talking about delivery apps. We're talking about freelancers, online platforms, creative services, short-term contracts, digital work. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, tens of millions of Americans now participate in alternative or non-traditional work arrangements, and that number continues to grow. But here's where things shift. As more people enter the same platforms, competition increases, and when supply increases faster than demand, prices fall. This isn't just theory. According to the World Bank's report on digital labor platforms, global online work has expanded rapidly, bringing in workers from lower-cost regions into the same marketplaces. That means you're no longer competing locally, you're competing globally. And globally, someone will always do the same work for less. How many people are freelancing right now? So how much are people actually earning? According to the Pew Research Center, a significant portion of gig workers report unstable or inconsistent income. And Federal Reserve data shows that gig workers are more likely to experience income volatility compared to traditional employees. Even more telling, Upwork reports over 64 million Americans freelancing, contributing more than $1.27 trillion to the economy. That's a massive number, but income is uneven. A small percentage earns well, while many struggle to stay consistent. If everyone is working, why is no one getting rich? So here's the real question. If more people are working, why does it feel like less people are winning? Because the system changed. Gig work didn't just create opportunity. It removed barriers, and when there are no barriers, there is no limit to competition. More workers, same demand. That gap creates pressure, and that pressure lowers income. Now compare that to something completely different. A skill like tattooing doesn't operate in a global marketplace. It operates locally. You don't compete with millions of people online. You compete within your city. Tattoo clients don't choose based on price alone. They choose based on trust, skill, reputation, and physical presence. There is no outsourcing, no global bidding war, no race to the bottom. And now layer AI into this. AI is accelerating digital competition even more. According to McKinsey, automation and AI are expected to impact a large portion of digital and remote-based work. But jobs that require physical skill, hands-on execution, human interaction are significantly harder to automate. Tattooing falls directly into that category. Tattooing is not easy. It requires time, training, apprenticeship, and real discipline. But that barrier is exactly what protects the career, because not everyone is willing to go through it. So what looks like opportunity can sometimes be a signal that too many people are chasing the same path. The gig economy didn't solve the problem, it exposed it. More workers, more competition, less stability. If you want a skill that actually holds value, one that isn't competing with the entire internet, start with something real. Learn how tattoo artists actually train. Go to becomeatattooartist.com and see what the apprenticeship path actually looks like.